Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Basundhi. It's a very yummy and creamy dessert. The ingredients that are required to make this sweet are mentioned in the description box below. Please do check it out. Let's get started. For making this sweet, a heavy bottom pan will work out well. So in a heavy bottom pan, add 1 liter of full fat milk. Having full fat milk will make this dessert so creamy and delicious. So do use full fat milk. Bring this milk to boil. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and keep stirring it with a ladle. You have to make this sweet in a low flame. So once it starts to boil, keep stirring it now and then, and the milk has to reduce to around half of the quantity. So as it keeps boiling, the milk solids will start to settle down at the sides of the pan. Do scrape it up and put it inside the milk again. Keep stirring it in between so that the milk doesn't get burnt at the bottom. Now the milk has almost reduced to half of its volume. It's time to add the sugar. I'm going to add quarter cup of brown sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste level. If you want it to be more sweeter, you can add 1 tablespoon of extra sugar. After adding sugar, give it a mix and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Once the sugar is added, you have to take extra care so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. It starts to thicken even more. It's been almost 5 minutes now. I'm going to add few strands of saffron just to give some nice flavor to the dessert. So just add a little bit, don't add too much. Adding saffron will give a very nice golden edge. I'm also going to add some chopped nuts, 10 chopped almonds and 10 chopped pistachios. After adding the nuts, give it a mix and let it remain for just a minute. It's been almost a minute now. Finally, I'm going to add quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well and you can turn off the heat. This dessert can be served hot, however its taste is even more delicious when it is served chilled. So allow it to cool down completely. Serve this in a small bowl and a pinch of saffron. That's all. Such a delicious and creamy Basundhi is now ready. Do give it a try at home and share your feedback. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.